Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that link, see what other goodies they have to offer. And also, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in prime time now, guys. It's a holiday rush. Last minute shopping should be getting completed. Might want to add this to the list. Oh, baby. This is a Viva Home SPECSTAR portable power station. Great for camping, outdoors, pretty much anything, you know. If you're having a barbecue party, birthday parties, you can always have this around just for like extra music. You can hook up your cell phones to charge, projectors, movie projectors for outside. You can charge it pretty much everything with this thing. So if you're looking for a good one, click the link down below. Give this a try. Not too heavy. Does have some weight to it though. There we go. Got the bottom stuff. There we go. SPECSTAR. That one. That. Ooh. Nice orange and black and white. Alright, let's see what this thing has. Whoa. It has everything. A lot of USB ports, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4. DC 12 lamp. Whoa. That thing is bright. DC. There you go. You saw that. 12 volts. This is sweet, guys. Here's the back. AC on and off. There you go. So you can hook up, like I said, video game consoles, projectors, you name it, power tools, whatever you need outdoors. If you're going on a camping trip, this would be a nice little gift to give somebody. Really cheap too. Well, not cheap, but affordable. Especially right now, they got the Cyber Black Friday deals going on. Get extra one of these. So, like I said, all you guys got to do is click that link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out. They could ship it to you fast. Get extra power cables. That's a good thing. And you get a cigarette. So you can plug it in the car. Charge it up. And also one of these bricks. So that's cool. For laptops, Chromebooks, whatever you need. So turn those off. Ooh, look at that. That's like crystal clear HD type light. You can see things. I don't want to shine it. My neighbor's looking at it though. You can see the globe. Giant, heavy flashlight, but yeah, this thing is definitely a nice one to get. So that's all that. And I think, oh, there's where the cigarette adapter goes. Like so. Then you can plug whatever you want, maybe like an air pump or stuff. If you're working on a garage, you have everything right here you need to power it up. So you could pretty much do everything with this. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video, but definitely click that link down below. Waterproof and everything, so charge your solar panels and everything. Let's see what else. But you guys will not be disappointed with this, though. its capacity, lithium battery. You could provide for router, PC, TV, security systems. So that's always a good thing. Portable power station, car charging cable, AC adapter cable. Pretty much covered everything we need to cover. We see that everything works. DC output LED, power fault LED, AC charger LED. Solar charge is sold separately. So if you have your solar thingies. Alright, here we go. Long backup time about 2 to 3 hours. PC plus display about 96 hours. 12 volt LED about 55 times for 5 volt mobile charger. About 8 hours. Laptop 13 inch about 6 hours. 50 watt fan. 5 hours 32 inch LCD about 14 hours. So that is powerful. You could definitely power up, you know, a good size monitor if you're doing it that way. Like they have portable gaming monitors. It could be perfect. So like I said, guys, click on the link down below, and if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer. I just hope we don't have no solar outages or anything like that crazy going on. So, but you know, never know. Be prepared in case of like crazy snowstorms. Grab this, especially for cell phones. You could always have this thing fully charged and charge your phones in case of emergency. So that's what I'm going to use that for, just in case of emergency. I'll keep it fully charged throughout this year, so definitely going to get some use, hopefully, in a good way. But definitely going to be trying it out. Portable power station, SPECSTAR. They got everything. All right, be safe.